Hey people, what's up? It's day 12 and I don't know whether this will be a new vlog or a continuation of the previous vlog. Whatever it is, you'll know. Just had a bath. It's quite late. We had a plan to leave for the Indian Astronomical Observatory at 9:30. And Shivam, time kya ho raha hai?
10:40.
And it's already 10:40. We are 1 hour behind schedule. The sun is shining bright, but it's fine because it's really cold out here in the night, so some sunlight will provide us relief. So now, as is we are late, we had plans for Umlingla, Indian Astronomical Observatory, and the Hanle Gompa. Umlingla Pass, as we know and as we have found out, is not accessible without a special permission, and that is that can be availed through some jugaad's contacts. We will not make an effort into going towards that pass, maybe sometime next year or whenever time permits us next. We will be heading towards Indian Astronomical Observatory and then towards Hanle Gompa. There's nothing much apart from these three things, these three places to do here. So without further delay, let's move. Suddenly it's cloudy, the weather is overcast, and instead of going to Indian Astronomical Observatory, first we came to Hanle Gompa. अब सीन ऐसा है कि Indian Astronomical Observatory में थोड़ी शूटिंग चल रही है for some government video or something, तो हम पहले एक्सप्लोर कर लेंगे गोम्पा. The approach road you saw, it's curvaceous, short and a sweet climb. There is no one here. There is no one at this place, no tourists, no one. We have this place to ourselves, which is a bliss considering the Spituk Gompa in Leh situation. And now we'll be heading inside the Gompa. There is no one in this Gompa, no one at all. It seems like there's a lot of pending construction work here. We have the beautiful view of the entire Hanle village or town, and you can see the beautiful streams flowing between the grasslands, and it's a mesmerizing sight. It's really beautiful and awesome. This is the exact view that I have been longing for on all my trips, and this is the first time in Leh Ladakh and in my entire tour and travel history that I have seen such beautiful grasslands with streams flowing, streams cutting through between them. So surreal. Heading back from the Gompa towards the observatory now. the Indian Astronomical Observatory was not open yet, or rather closed due to some shooting, we decided to do some impromptu cooking. Not we means everyone excluding me. So it's a lot of wind here. It's a very windy situation. So we had devised some methods to block the wind. One was this hole, which will be used for different purposes because it was too small. Then we placed our cartons, and finally a yoga mat circled around the stove. Now our khichdi is almost ready. We have already had noodles. 2-course meal for today, unlike yesterday, which was a 3-course.
So we have pineapple juice as well.
Yeah, we have a pineapple juice as well, which makes it 3 courses, 3 fake courses. So we'll enjoy our lunch in peace, sun and the wind, and you enjoy the vlog. Now I've arrived at the Indian Astronomical Observatory. No parking, no vehicles beyond this point, so the car is parked there. View dekh lo. ऐसे लग रहा था चढ़ता जा रहा हूँ. बहुत देर बाद कहीं जाके ऑब्जर्वेटरी आई. चलो देखते हैं क्या पॉसिबल है यहाँ पे देखना. We are in the Indian Astronomical Observatory, and that is one huge telescope. Alright, so that was a short and sweet tour of the Indian Astronomical Observatory, wherein we saw some incredible images that have been captured by the 21-year-old telescope present here. The telescope is huge, as you might have seen. Now Mr. Kunga, special credits to him, who is at some post here in the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, and he was very kind enough to walk us through a proper slideshow showcasing what all had been clicked over the years by the telescope. Now the telescope is entirely controlled through Bangalore, and we cannot directly view any images or any stars through that. Everything is visible through a computer in Bangalore. Now, with that being said, most of what is in Hanle has been covered, which includes the observatory, the Gompa, and the stream beside which we were camping, and not camping, cooking. So if there's something else, I'll add it here and you'll see that. If not, then goodbye from Hanle.